To transfer money from your Botim wallet to your UAE bank account is very easy. Once you have logged in, make sure you have tapped here on the money or the wallet icon. As you can see on the screen, the balance you have in your Botim wallet will be revealed, so simply tap here on the withdraw button, select the amount you want to withdraw. Let me tap on max and then select the withdraw destination. We have two options. One is the earn. That is recommended due to its instant transfers. And of course, we have a UAE bank account. For the sake of this video, let us select UAE bank account. Before you tap on proceed to withdraw, keep in mind there is a 2 dirham fee, and also the estimated time for this transaction is between 1 to 2 business days. So tap on continue to withdraw. Enter here the IBAN number of your bank account. Tap on the next button. Review your address. Tap on next. Then review your bank details and confirm. Guys, to finalize this transaction, simply tap on withdraw and then enter your confirmation password. That is it. Wait for your transferred amount to show up in your bank account.